Have you ever thought about how groundbreaking medications can transform lives? Meet GLP-1 medications. These lifesavers help millions manage diabetes while aiding weight loss. GLP-1 stands for glucagon-like peptide 1. This hormone is naturally produced in our intestines. When we eat, GLP-1 is released. It helps regulate blood sugar and boosts insulin secretion, which is crucial for people with type 2 diabetes. Back in the 1980s, scientists discovered that people with type 2 diabetes had an impaired GLP-1 response. That sparked interest. Then came an unlikely hero: Gila monster saliva. Yes, researchers discovered a compound called exendin-4 in the saliva of this desert lizard. It mimicked GLP-1 but lasted way longer. This led to the first GLP-1 med, exenatide, Byetta, approved in 2005. From there, we got longer-acting versions, liraglutide, semaglutide, dulaglutide, and tirzepatide, which even targets GIP, another gut hormone. These hormones play key roles in our metabolism. Over time, scientists focused more on GLP-1 due to its significant impact on glucose metabolism. So, how are GLP-1 medications made? GLP-1s are proteins made in living cells. Here's the basic process. Scientists designed the GLP-1 mimicking sequence. The gene is inserted into bacteria or yeast. These cells grow in bioreactors, producing the peptide. The peptide is then harvested, purified, and stabilized. Some are modified with fatty acid chains to last longer in the body, like semaglutide, the active ingredient in Ozempic and Wegovy. Today, many GLP-1 medications exist. Popular examples include liraglutide, semaglutide, and dulaglutide. Each has unique features but works similarly. When you take a GLP-1 medication, it activates GLP-1 receptors in the pancreas, stimulates insulin release, only when glucose is high, reduces glucagon, preventing blood sugar spikes in the stomach, slows down emptying equals you feel full longer in the brain, reduces appetite and cravings. Bonus: some GLP-1s, like Mounjaro, also activate GIP receptors, which may improve fat metabolism even more. This process lowers the sugar released from your liver and slows down how quickly food leaves your stomach. Consequently, you feel fuller for a longer time. GLP-1 medications have numerous benefits. They effectively lower blood sugar levels. They can also lead to weight loss, as many users experience reduced appetite. Additionally, they help decrease the risk of heart disease. However, these medications can have drawbacks. Some individuals experience side effects like nausea and vomiting. While these are often temporary, they are essential to note. High cost, often $1,000 plus per month, requires injection, except oral semaglutide, not for type 1 diabetes. Risk of rare side effects: pancreatitis, gallstones, thyroid tumors, in rats. Furthermore, GLP-1 medications can be expensive and may require injections. Let's consider a relatable example. Picture someone diagnosed with type 2 diabetes struggling to control their blood sugar levels. After consulting a doctor, they start a GLP-1 medication. Over time, they notice lower sugar levels and experience weight loss, greatly improving their overall health. It is important to note that some commercially available GLP-1 medications may have different indications while they might have the same active ingredients. If using for weight loss, they might be excluded from your health insurance company, especially if you are using for weight loss and have Medicare Part D. Ozempic and Mounjaro have FDA indications for diabetes. These would most likely be covered if you have this diagnosis. Wegovy has indication for reducing future cardiovascular risk in patients with a history of cardiovascular disease and are overweight or obese. Zepbound could be covered if you have moderate to severe obstructive sleep apnea and are obese. It is important to check which one is right for you based on your health history. In summary, GLP-1 medications represent a vital medical advancement. They effectively help manage diabetes and assist with weight loss. Understanding how they work empowers you to make informed choices. However, remember to consider both their benefits and drawbacks. Are you curious about how these medications can help you? Talk to your healthcare provider today. They can guide you through available options. Take the first step towards better health and explore the potential of GLP-1 medications. Thanks for watching. If you learned something new, hit that like button and subscribe for more curious health content. Got questions about GLP-1 meds or want us to cover another hot topic? Drop it in the comments. Stay curious. This is RX Curious.